All right, kimchi, yogurt, and sauerkraut. These are just some of the fermented foods that research has shown could actually help boost your health, and not just your physical health, but your mental health as well.
Eating fermented foods is a powerful tool for nurturing your mental health by changing your microbiome. It releases a beneficial bacteria into our gut that makes a good environment for creating neurotransmitters that help to boost our mood.
All right, that's Dr. Susan Albers, who's a psychologist with the Cleveland Clinic. She was not part of that research, but says while fermented foods could help improve your mood, ultra processed foods have been found to do just the opposite and can actually increase a person's risk for depression. Examples of ultra processed foods include cereal, ice cream, and chips. Dr. Albers says based on the known health benefits, it's worth trying to incorporate more fermented foods into your diet. But what if you've never really had any of them before?
Fermented foods can be a new and unusual taste for many people. Introducing it slowly can have a profound impact on changing your taste buds and adapting to this new taste.
So fermented foods may not be safe for everyone, like those with a histamine intolerance or certain digestive disorders. If you have any concerns, it's best to ask your doctor.